Hey guys, we are doing a staycation here in Las Vegas and we're staying at the Palazzo today, and I figured before we get all of our stuff out of our luggage and make this place a big mess, wanted to do a room tour. So this is the entryway. So the entry's right here. When you come in, you've got the bathroom to the right, and then you've got this huge full-length mirror. Let me take you into the bathroom. We've got a beautiful vanity right here. We've got double sinks, tub, shower. And then let me take a wild guess. This is a toilet. You've got a TV here, so as you're getting ready, you don't have to feel like it's too quiet. So yeah, so that's the mirror. This is a king-size bed. There's Eddie. And if you guys don't know Eddie, that is my husband. Got a closet with 2 complimentary robes, safe, the iron. You've got this little bar area right here with a full-size flat screen TV. I don't think they do. There's Melania. Melania's right here.
This could be my little bean.
And then let's take some steps down here. We've got a little couch here, sitting area. I'm not sure if these turn into a bed. Let's take a peek. Actually, they turns into maybe like a full-size bed, which is awesome. Yes, you can. Then you've got a desk area right over here. You've got another little sitting area with a television. Oh, you do have a fridge, but it's one of those you pull out, you buy. And then you've got a bunch of snacks over here. Let's see. You've got this table if you're doing room service or just need a place to kind of hang out and work. And let me show you our view. So we're facing the Treasure Island. That's Las Vegas Boulevard. You can also see the pool area over here. We are to my right. You can see a glimpse of the Wynn building, some construction, Trump Towers, and then that's actually the Fashion Show Mall. If you've never been to Vegas, that's the Fashion Show Mall, so there's a lot of shopping. And the great thing, if you haven't been to this area of Vegas or have never been to Vegas, the great thing about Palazzos is that you get these like walkways, so you don't have to necessarily cross the main street. You've got walkways that kind of cut through, and it takes you directly to the mall. So you don't have to worry about traffic, because traffic here in Vegas gets pretty crazy. And then to the left, you can't really see it, but to the left would be the Venetian, and they actually all connect. But other than that, I just wanted to show you guys what the room looked like. So here from this angle, here's the view. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this quick room tour of the Palazzo. Say bye.
There isn't a lot to spare. Who cares? Whatever we got to share. If it's a chance to be, we should see some harder days. Empty lot of days. Why grouse?
So we're just leaving the Fashion Show Mall. What do you think? Yeah, it is cold. It's cold, it's cloudy, it's rainy. That's the other end of the strip. Oh, look at the water's going on right now.
That's a big one. Look at that.
Here they are. We're here at Buddy V's. We just got our dinner. I got chicken parm. Melania got pizza. And then Eddie got the Sunday gravy. But he replaces rigatoni with spaghetti. How is it, Melania? Thumbs up. All right, I'm gonna dive in. Hey guys, we are wrapping up our staycation here in Las Vegas, and we are excited because it's sunny outside. Yesterday was a little cloudy and rainy, and yeah, it wasn't like the best weather to be walking around outside, but we still made the most of it. But here is the morning view. Not a cloud in the sky. So pretty. But yes, we are wrapping up our morning here. We're gonna have breakfast downstairs, and then we'll be checking out, and we'll on our way back home, which is in Las Vegas. Bye guys.